Well, I have to say the merge went well. We brought 3 adorable pit bulls in today. We brought Blaze in today. And Blaze's beautiful puppy. This is probably the most, well, it's not a puppy anymore. Year-old, yes, but you are just beautiful. Look at the coloring. Look at the coloring. You got your daddy's little highlights. Yes, you do. And you are just so happy. All these dogs have been wagging their tails. These 2 especially have been in a very small enclosed area their whole lives. So, get it! And the other key of merging a bunch of dogs is to buy 100 zillion toys. Yes. Are you having fun, Charlie? Charlie and Joni, you guys having fun? You guys having fun? How much fun are we having? Oh, look, we got more toys. Here. Get it. Anyhow, a lot of fun. No dog fights, which is good. Good. Cassie's over there. Anyhow, I want to follow everybody up. We're having a great. Here you go, baby. Joni. Joni's so cute. Lots of toys, huh, Joni? We're having so much fun. Everybody's wagging their tails. That's what we love to see. Yes, we do. Come here, Cassie. Cassie, you want your own toy? Here, Cassie. Yay, go get it, Cassie. All right, we're having a lot of fun. We're having a lot of fun. Again, don't mind my backyard. It's trash. Doesn't matter how many times I picked it up. Yesterday, they, oh, we're not going to have a fight, are we? No, I was just telling everybody how everybody gets along. Cassie, here you go. All right, we'll let everybody go. But yes, we just got 3 loads of rocks dropped off today. So next time you see this backyard, it will be rocked and the new building will be up. Right, buddy? Oh, you're so happy. So happy.